Welcome to TJ9 News.
ఓకే సార్.
ఇంకా పైకి తలగా
1:15 PM SH Muniraj along with beat staff SDHCC Yesraj SDHCC Yesu Babu home cuts Shiva Shankar and Suresh while they are conducting vehicle checking at Munu Tumpu Junction near bypass Yanam. They stopped one Tata AC vehicle number AP 39TR385 and while checking they found about 500 banned tobacco boxes in the vehicle worth about 4 lakhs. On inquiry, the driver of the vehicle told his name and address. Venkata Ramesh of Talarevu, Andhra Pradesh. Further he stated that he purchased the tobacco items from Vizag and transporting to Andhra Pradesh for selling purpose. Then the driver of the vehicle and case property brought to Yanam police station and registered a case and the investigation is going on. All worth about 4 lakhs. We are conducting special campaign for the past 2 months as per the direction of our senior officers. This is the first time huge bundle of cage of tobacco item cheese in Yanam police station. So I appreciated the team of SI and other staffs. I am very appreciated. Thank you very much.